Hi everybody! This week's video will be short, but I want to be really clear with you on expectations for what's due and when those things are due. We're mixing up our timeline just a little bit, and I want to make sure that everybody's clear on what they should be doing. First, I want to give you this reminder. We're innovators in this class. This is an entrepreneurship and innovation class, and our primary focus using this design thinking process is to come up with a solution that is new and unique. It needs to be different from existing solutions that are already out there. Maybe there's some reason why your customer hasn't chosen one of those existing solutions already. So as you move forward, please be sure that any idea you come up with is going to be new and unique. And it also needs to be sustainable from a business perspective, which means you need to find a way to bring in revenue to cover the costs associated with your solution. So that's an important point. I think we'll also begin with the end in mind regarding the assignments that you have due. We're combining weeks 10 and 11, March 20th and 27th, to get you through the prototyping and testing for part 2 and a book review. So please note the dates. The book review is due March 23rd. The prototype and testing, you have 2 weeks to do this. It's due March 30th. With the book review, this is the very last assignment that we're going to have for the Ice House, and I want you to provide a star rating for the book. 1 star is a low rating, 5 stars is a high rating. Describe why you chose that rating. Tell me what you liked or didn't like about the book, and would you recommend it to others? Why or why not? Please be honest, you can't hurt my feelings. Most students do really like the book, but every now and again there's someone that wasn't a fan, and that's fine too. Just explain what you liked or didn't like about it, and also explain why. That's going to be due on the 23rd. The other thing you're doing, and you have 2 weeks to do this, so right up until before the spring break, the other thing you're doing is prototyping and testing again. You're going to create a prototype for your solution, and it can be low fidelity, but put some amount of effort into it. I would think that a quality prototype at this stage will take you about 30 to 60 minutes to complete. So it should require some effort, some design, some setup. You're going to meet with the customer, either the same person you've already met with before, or somebody new who also experiences the problem, and get their feedback. The details are here in the assignment and also on the slides for the week. Once you get their feedback, you're going to make a revision to that prototype. And what I want to see for your submission are 2 photos. First is the original prototype. The second photo is the prototype after you've made revisions. And then finally, you're going to write a paper, 1 to 2 pages, just a summary, answering the questions above, giving you an opportunity to reflect on the feedback you got from your customer. Prototyping is so important, and I'm really excited to see how you guys take these solutions from paper, from the storyboard, into something perhaps a little more tangible that you can use to engage with your customers. As you get into the slides for the week, you're going to see a lot of them are review. Prototyping does take time, which is why we're taking 2 weeks. Please use that time. Don't wait until the last minute to get this work done. It'll be reflected in the quality of what you submit. So I'm going to ask you to go through the slides on your own. I'm not going to do that with you because you've actually seen these. These are similar to the prototyping slides that we've looked at already. But I want you to revisit them because this information is really important about the principles of effective prototyping. So go through the slides, do your book review, and complete your low fidelity prototypes. I'm expecting to see 2. 1 is the original, and then another is after you've met with a customer and provided some sort of modification to that prototype based on their feedback. And then, of course, a written summary on your prototyping experience. You've got 2 weeks for that, but the Ice House book review, just 1 week. So please pay special attention to the dates and let me know how I can help you. Thank you.